Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. My name is Jackson, and as you can see here, I got a package from American Express. This is the Platinum Charles Schwab card. I picked up this card with a $60,000 point sign-up bonus just a few days ago because they did announce that MR points are being devalued to 1.1 cents per point, and this will be taking effect on September 1st. So I wanted to get it. And I also wanted to cash out my points because I had over 300,000 points in MR, and so I'll show you how that works at the end. But first, I am going to go ahead and open this up. And it is a little disappointing now that American Express does not include this in one of those fancy boxes like they do with the vanilla Platinum card. If you do opt for the vanilla, you will get a very nice matted kind of cardboard box. I'll link a video down to my unboxing down below, but on the Charles Schwab one, it just comes in a regular envelope. And here we can actually see where the card is. The card is right behind here. This is review your card. And I just kind of want to make sure I cover up my numbers there, but you can see it does say Charles Schwab. This is the new one that doesn't have the platinum there anymore, so I'm very excited to give this a run. Hopefully you don't see too many numbers, but that's basically it. It is a metal card. So with that being said, guys, let's hop on the computer and I can show you how I plan on cashing these points out with this card. Once you have logged into your American Express account and confirmed your card, you're going to go and pick the Charles Schwab Platinum card or the card that you want to use to cash out your points. I know there's other ones there. Once the page has loaded, you're going to see this button here called Invest with Rewards. We're going to go ahead and click this. This will bring you to this page here where it will say you can only be a basic card member, you have to do 1,000 points and blah, blah, blah. Hit Get Started. This is where you're going to input the details of your card. Now, obviously, I'll be blurring this part out, but I'll go ahead and do that. After you have all the information entered, you can go ahead and click Next. Well, that's not what I wanted to see. So after entering the correct information and having American Express unlock my account, we are greeted with this screen here. So you will have to select the brokerage account that you want. And I have my brokerage selected here. Currently have 300,000 points, so I'm going to cash out all of these. So we get to do some fun math here. And that should be 300,000, and then we'll do 2 of those. So our total brings it to $3,775. I understand. Click Next and redeem. Checking on our Charles Schwab account, you can now see that I have just under $4,000 in this account. Unfortunately, I don't really use Charles Schwab, so I will be cashing these points out. I'll be moving them out. To move them to another brokerage, it's pretty easy to do. You just go to Transfers and Payment. You then click Online Transfers. And you want to do cash only from individual brokerage to, this is my Discover account. We're going to enter in all of the amount that I have in there. 41. Click Continue. And then this will tell you when to transfer from this account to Discover Bank for $3,791, and then click Submit. And there we go, it was submitted, so within 3 to 5 business days, my account will now show that I'll have $3,000 more. That's how you convert MR points into cash and then transfer that cash into your brokerage.